Are you dying to quit smoking? This year, 430,000 people will quit by dying. Right now, we can easily help you quit smoking.
Oh, still! Mas topmost floor tayo kaya mas ramdam natin eh.
Kencang pisan ini mah.
Oh my God! Still! The engineer should know.